Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to show you how to make Iraqi Dolma, a delicious and traditional Iraqi dish that's perfect for any occasion. Dolma is a stuffed vegetables dish that can be made with a variety of vegetables. We're making it with Swiss chard, eggplant, zucchini, peppers, and onions for our version today. Let's get started. For starters, you get 1 cup of rice, half pound of ground beef or lamb, half cup of chopped onion, half cup of chopped parsley, quarter cup of chopped dill, 1 cup of chopped tomatoes, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of 7 spices, half a cup of tomato paste, quarter cup of pomegranate molasses, half a cup of lemon juice, quarter cup of olive oil, chop some of the insides of the zucchini and the eggplant. For the dolma, you need eggplant, zucchini, onions, peppers, and Swiss chard, half a cup of olive oil. In a large bowl, mix all the ingredients, put the olive oil on the bottom of a pot, stuff all your vegetables and arrange them in a pot. For the Swiss chard, lay it flat on a work surface. Place a tablespoon of the filling in the center of the leaf. Fold the bottom of the leaf over the filling, then fold the sides of the leaf inwards. Roll the leaf up tightly until it forms a little package. Repeat with the remaining leaves and the filling. Place the pot on the stove and bring it to the sizzle over a high heat. You can see me here folding it, and it's about done. Once the pot comes to a sizzle, reduce the heat to a low and let the dolma simmer for about an hour or an hour and a half. Once the dolma is cooked, remove the pot from the heat and let it cool for a few minutes before serving. You can serve it hot or cold with any sides you want. I usually use some Iraqi bread or naan. And there you have it, our recipe for traditional Iraqi Dolma. We hope you gave it a try and enjoy it as much as we do. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Thank you for watching.